Love is patient. Love is kind. It is not jealous. It is not pompous. It is not inflated. It is not rude. It does not seek its own interests. It is not quick-tempered. It does not brood over injury. It does not rejoice over wrongdoing, but rejoices with the truth. It bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never fails.
Nobody loves you like I do.
I have asked the couple to write each other a letter. The title of the letter is Why I Want to Marry You. Kai said, she wrote 2 pages? That means she loves you very much.
Dear Minya, the past 3 years have flashed by in the blink of an eye. You caught my attention when you practiced some dance steps during the rehearsal.
And by the time I heard your laugh in the car, the next day you had started capturing my heart. Since then, we have been through good time and bad. Even though we drive each other crazy all the time, we came through stronger in the end. We have learned a lot about each other and about our own selves as we continue to discover what our relationship means to us. I hope we can continue to build each other up as we journey through this life as a family. I love your sense of adventure and your ambition, even if it doesn't always seem that way in the latter case. The favorite moments of the past few years have been discovering or rediscovering places, stories, and experiences with you. I hope we never lose the spirit of being explorers and learners, even as we age and grow old together. Kai Muzi. This is so cute.
Dear Kumamor, which means love bear.
I love
You because you are thoughtful, not just towards me, but towards people in general. You're observant, sometimes even more so than me. When I'm sick, you take care of me. You go out of your way to make me food to make me happy and feel better. The Moroccan dish was my favorite. My best memory of us is when you didn't care about where we met or what we did, you just wanted to see me. We met at the park, danced, and talked for a long time. My car battery died, and you fixed it. It was great to spend more time with you. I hope we get to travel more and see the world together. Explore the good foods from other countries, share our life with kids and family, and have fun together from young until we're old. I love you for supporting my dreams and hopes and supporting the things I do, even though sometimes it may annoy you. My precious Kuma, the journey in time and space will be together. A better person Kuma Zinya has become. God, please bless our family. Love you forever, Minya. September 15th, 2018.
I told her she's gonna get married tonight. You're gonna meet your man.
We set out at the first light. We lit up with the sunrise. Gets my heartbeat running wild.
Because I never use that one.
Oh, you use oars?
Oh, it looks like a crown.
By my side.
You know, what is love? You know, the greatest definition of love that I ever came across to was from Mother Teresa of Calcutta. One time she said that love is not a feeling, it's a decision.
We will go from this day on.
Because if love is a feeling, then I can be in love one day and out of love the next. No wonder love is not in the realm of the feelings, because feelings come and go. Love is in the realm of the will, of decision.
color correct?
can breathe in the open arms we can only fall into place now. We will go from this day on. Take this world.
May the Lord in His kindness strengthen the consent we have declared before the church and graciously bring to fulfillment His blessing within you. What God joins together, let no one put asunder. Amen.
I, Kai,
I, Angela, take you, Kai,
take you, Angela, to be my wife,
to be my husband, and promise to be faithful to you
I promise to be true to you in good times
and
and in bad, in sickness
and in
and
health,
health,
To love you
to love you
and to honor you
and to honor you
all the days
all the days
all the days of my life.
of my life. Amen.
Amen.
From this day on, take this world and make it.
And may the Almighty God bless all of you who are gathered here, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. You may kiss your bride. Church, may I introduce to you Kai and Angela Fatima de Roselle.
According to one of my other bridesmaids who was actually paired with Kai at the time, she said that he could not take his eyes off her. It was love at first sight. And when I told her they got engaged, she was not surprised at all. Angela's a very candid, upfront, and honest person. And a short story to tell about that is that when I first got to know her, she had a lot of Hello Kitty things. She had Hello Kitty earmuffs and a purse, and I got a lot of basic gifts. For several years, for Christmas and during the holidays and birthdays, I always got her something Hello Kitty. One year, I actually changed it up. And you know what she said? "Thank God, Luna, you didn't get me Hello Kitty this year." And it's that candidness and honestness and her childlike demeanor that makes her such a wonderful and charming person. They're both wonderful people, and they were definitely made for each other. So several months before Angela met Kai at my wedding, we were joking, oh, wouldn't it be funny if we somehow became family? And it was just a joke at the time, but several years later, she's now my cousin. So it actually happened.
After a few years, we actually moved in together. And I found out that Kai is actually a great friend. He has a really, really kind heart. I went through some hardships and he was there for me, and he stayed with me and helped me get through it, try to take me out, meet new people, get my mind off of things. So the three of us, including Stan over here, we actually lived together, and we ended up working at the same place together, and we played games together in harmony. And then everything changed when Angela appeared. And I also saw that Kai is quite the gentleman. He would always open and close the car door for Angela, pull out the seat and see her at, things he never did for me. But anyway. And thank you too for making my friend so happy. Cheers to a lifetime of happiness.
this quote from Angela about Kai. One of the first things she said, "I never knew Chinese men could be so romantic." I love you both very much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your life together, and have a fun time tonight, all right? I love you guys.